Hi everybody and welcome to card number 4, the penultimate card in this month's card class. This one you'll notice a few little changes on this card as compared to the other couple of designs. There is no label die and I've actually stamped this large floral image onto craft card. So a few little changes and a few little techniques that I'm going to share with you. So we're going to start with a card base cut from Soft Succulent Card, that lovely green that all of our little floral embellishments are cut from. We've then got a layer of crumb cake card. Like so. And then we have a piece of DSP. It's got the diagonal wood grain on it, and on the back is this cinnamon cider and pale papaya, sort of bumblebee and floral effect. So we're sticking with that lovely neutral theme. And then I've chosen this lovely layering DSP with the black text on it. And I wanted to create a bit of texture with the vellum. So quite simply what I've done is I have screwed it up. Now this is probably going to make a few of you wince, and probably a few of you think I am not doing that. But trust me, it is lovely. So screw it up and then flatten it back out. You can take a block if you wish to just sort of iron it back down, and you do just get a really nice sort of bumpy texture, a cheap way of embossing, I say. And we're going to stick that down to our card. Okay, so I'm going to add my glue sort of under where that image is going to sit, and I'm just going to press it down. Okay, the good thing about these layering vellums is you don't really sort of see any glue marks, which is really, really nice. Okay, so that's the start of our card. I'm going to stick my piece of white in the centre as well. Like so. And then pop that to one side. Now I'm going to use this basic grey doily, but I'm going to use it on the other side so we get the white showing. So these doilies are really, really versatile. If you haven't got them yet, might be worth picking up a few. You can also add colour to them with your blending brushes, your daubers, your alcohol inks, and more. So we're just going to cut that in half. So we've now got 2 doilies for the price of 1, and we're going to stick this directly onto our card. Okay, so I'm going to add my glue to the grey side, and I'm going to stick it down so that it sits just inside that vellum. And then here we have our lovely floral pattern, our floral image stamped onto that crumb cake craft card. Forgetting my words now. I'm 4 videos in. My brain is starting to play tricks on me. Okay. So that's going to sit just on there like so. So we've got a little bit of depth there. And then we've got this lovely vanilla trim. But first I need to stamp my sentiment. So I've got a scrap piece of basic white card. I'm going to bring in that lovely "Have a Perfect Birthday" sentiment. Nice little stamp of that. And just trim that down. If you'd rather trim your banner before you stamp, I would cut down a banner that's about a centimetre wide. Okay, so this is our little strip to go on there, but before we stick it on, I'm going to add a bit of this lovely lace to the bottom of it. So I'm going to just lay that over the sort of bottom of the banner so we can see this nice scallop edge. And then I'm going to take some tearing tape and just attach that to the back and trim it off. I've left it sort of overhanging a bit just to add a little bit more detail, and then that's going to get stuck down about there, just at the bottom. Oh no, what we can do is we can peel off the back of this double-sided like so, and then that can get stuck down about there. Okay, and then the last thing we've got to do is to add in our little die cut piece, which is just here from our little pick and mix bag. And he's going to sit just inside there. And there we have it. That is card number 4, all complete for you. I hope you enjoyed it. See you over on the 5th video, the last card in this month's class. Bye for now.